Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about Magento 2 URL rewrites, everything you need to know. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what are URL rewrites in Magento 2? URL rewrites allow you to customize and improve the URLs for the SEO and the user friendliness without changing the actual page structure. This helps in making URLs clean and readable, improving SEO by using relevant keywords in the URLs, redirecting old URLs to the new one to avoid the broken links, enhancing user experience by making URLs easier to understand. How we can enable it? Go to the stores, configuration, in the web, search engine optimization, set it to yes. Let's go and check. Go to this, right? So here we have the stores, we have the configuration, right? We have the web. Okay, search engine optimization, use web server URL rewrites. Okay, so set it to be yes, and by default it's yes. Okay, so here you can see that it's automatically enabled, right? So if you want to create and imagine the URL rewrites in Magento 2, how we can do that? Just go to your content marketing, we have a URL rewrites. Okay, so here you can see that all we have the URL rewrites, so you can just edit and delete it accordingly. Okay, so if I just go and just see this, requested path is this one, and redirect type, here you can just redirect. Okay, permanently move, right? And if I just go back, if I want to add a URL rewrite, make a custom. Okay, and you can add the requested path, target path, and where to move, and description. Okay, it will work. Okay, so this is another way that you can do for the URL rewrite. Okay, so requested path, the original path that needs to be rewritten, old your product URL. Target path, the new URL where users be redirected, that is a new product URL. Redirect type 301 and the 002. Recommended for the SEO, tells the search engines that the old URL is permanently moved, temporary, used for the temporary redirect. Store view, select the store view where the rewrite should apply. Click save, test the new URL. Okay, so automatic URL rewrites for the products and the categories. So by default, Magento create the automatically URL, right? So if I go and just check it over here for catalog products, if I did do this one, so in the search engine and optimization, we have a section for the URLs. So you can update it accordingly here also. Okay. So this is how you can do that. Right. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.